up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to spy on some Clickbank affiliates using native ads. So let's dive in. Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck. Alright, so I am inside the Clickbank dashboard, and here you can see the latest results of our top student, Tom. And as you can see, Monday we had a really good day, hit that $3,000 mark, so $3,038 profit on Monday, which is awesome, obviously. And as you can see, the current week is also exceeding the limits of the previous week. 13,326 US dollars made this week so far. So good stuff for sure. So today we are going to spy on some Clickbank offers, and we're going to do that on native ads for chains. So let's go to Anstrax, the native and push spying tool, and we're going to log in, and as you can see, whoops, it needs to reload real quick. Okay, here we are inside of Anstrax, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the filter affiliate network. So at the filter affiliate network, you can select all kinds of affiliate network. Obviously, we're going to focus on Clickbank right here. So let's open that up. There we go. And we see quite a lot of the same kind of ads, alright? So we see a lot of pictures of eggs, and we see a lot of pictures of this red stuff in a can. I don't know exactly what it is. And right here we have something different. A dude getting arrested. Other than that, a lot more eggs, but let's take a look at some, alright? So let's see what we have. Diabetics, here's how to lower blood sugar. It's genius. Alright, so this is probably affiliates that is promoting the same offer in a lot of different countries. As you can see, Israel, Spain, with exactly the same headline. And I believe there are some more right here, Mexico. So yeah, the headline is quite weak, to be honest. Diabetics, here's how to lower blood sugar, is genius. So it doesn't create a whole lot of curiosity. There's not a lot going on in the headline that makes me want to click or makes me want to learn more about it. So the headline could definitely been better. And the picture is just too standard, right? There's no contrast in the picture, so it doesn't really pop out of the screen. And also, they are just some eggs, alright? They're just a couple of eggs. Everybody knows these are eggs, alright? Now, if you look at this picture, or even better, this picture, it still doesn't have the bright colors and it doesn't really pop out, but however, you might say, okay, what is this? It might create some curiosity by the fact that it looks so weird and not very tasteful, to be honest. Alright? And even if you're gonna do the eggs, then this is probably a better way to go with the eggs than just the plain eggs right here. Alright? So that is that. Let's see if we can have some other ads right here. We've got a woman doing a yoga pose. It's a stock picture, and I do not recommend using stock pictures as they tend to convert less well. But let's take a look at the headline anyway. Plan your custom keto diet with a simple quiz based on your body type today. Alright, so the headline is okay. I wouldn't necessarily give it away right off the bat that it's a custom keto diet. I would build a little bit more curiosity around that, like what is it exactly. So plan your diet, or plan your, I wouldn't even call it diet. I would probably use the fact that a pain point for a lot of people who want to lose weight is that they have to go on diets. So don't call it a diet. Instead, call it a solution or something, all right? You know what I'm saying? Let's take a look at this landing page. I'm quite curious. I should visit the page, of course. Here we go. So we have a video. Take the keto diet quiz now. All right. Meat. Okay. What kind of meats do you want to include? All right. Veggies. Other food. All right. Oh, all right. You cannot be 5 meters tall, just so you know. All right, let's see. Okay, they did. All right, this is just a basic lander. I think this is the actual lander, not even a pre-lander. Yep, it is. So definitely running with a pre-lander, so creating your own quiz before this landing page will obviously cause better conversions, all right? What do we have here? So I just kind of ignore all these eggs and these cans with the red stuff to take a look at some other ones so that we don't have all the same ads. We have this image here, once more a stock picture, so not the best image there. Although I do like the fact that the background on this stock image is orange, which pops a little bit more. The headline, anyone with blurry eyesight should watch this. They hide this from you. All right, so if you take the example we just had with the custom keto diet and this one, you can clearly see the difference, right? On this ad, it doesn't give the solution away. It doesn't talk about the solution. Well, it does, but without naming it. All right, right here we have plan your custom keto diet, so you give it all right away. You already say, okay, it's going to be a custom keto diet that's going to help you and take your problems away. But we can create more curiosity when we do not say where it's for. So on this one, anyone with blurry eyesight should watch this. They hide this from you. That creates a lot of curiosity, because who hides it from us? Well, probably the pharmaceutical world. Okay, what do they hide from us? We don't know. Let's check it out. All right, so that's the flow where you want to be. Let's visit this landing page. Do this 6-second trick tonight to restore perfect eyesight tomorrow. So I think once more this is the actual landing page and not a pre-lander. So basically the offer page.
Able to see.
Yeah, we're not gonna play that. Yep, Clickbank trusted secure. This is the offer page. The VSL of the offer page. So once more, put a landing page in front of it to improve your results and improve your conversions. All right, we have another stock picture here. So even if it's a doctor, even if it's a perfect picture, stock pictures, so pictures that are like this one, where it's clearly just a photo shoot, probably even actors or models in there, those tend to not work as well as custom images. Doctor, if you have tinnitus, ear ringing, do this immediately. So weak headline, all right? If you compare them to this one, anyone with blurry eyesight should watch this. They hide this from you. That has a lot more power than doctor, if you have tinnitus, ear ringing, do this immediately. Also, watch the capitalization. So if you capitalize every first word or every first letter of the word, that's fine. But do it especially on the first word as well. It might be my OCD talking, but this is mad annoying to me. So watch your capitalization. What else do we have? Anyone with tooth decay should watch this. They hide this from you. So same headline as with the what was it with the eyesight? This one. Okay, could have done better, but okay. What else do we have? 7-second ritual melts 62 pounds of fat. Now that is already more interesting, right? It creates curiosity because how can a 7-second ritual melt that much fat? All right, so that creates curiosity. People want to learn about it and know about it. And also this image is pretty good, all right? So we have this reddish powder. You could have adjusted the contrast a little bit more to make this even brighter red. But however, leaving that for what it is right now, he's pouring Coke in it. So what the fuck is happening? What is he doing? Why is he doing that? And then there's this video play button, which is very strong. So a lot of people, it will catch a lot of people's attention, but also a lot of people will click on it and go to your landing page. Let's see if this affiliate actually has a landing page, or if it's, nope, it looks like a straight redirect. Okay. Well, no worries. Okay, what is this? This catches my attention. Why does it catch my attention? Because there's not a whole lot of bright colors, alright? So it's not really popping. However, I cannot identify what these are. So it's interesting, alright? That's what the user's gonna think as well. I don't know what it is, so it's interesting. Alright, let's take a look. Fighting diabetes, this discovery leaves doctors speechless. A lot better headline right there. So, opening with a question, fighting diabetes, and a lot of people are going to say yes to that. And all those people that are going to say no to that is not your core audience anyway. So, fighting diabetes, yes, this discovery leaves doctors speechless. So, the fact that he uses the word discovery suggests that it's something new. And a lot of people who are fighting diabetes might have already tried a lot of different things. And apparently they didn't work because otherwise they wouldn't be interested in new solutions. So discovery is a very strong word. And then he says doctors speechless. So saying that the results are amazing. All right. So you can say a lot if you pick the right words, and then you don't need a whole lot of words. This affiliate actually has a landing page which looks like one of the templates from the Deberoo suite. New blood sugar discovery keeps blood sugar normal. Watch now. Okay, so we have this extremely blurred out image with a play button on it. So once again, good stuff on the play button, but I wouldn't choose to blur this video out. I would rather pick an image that's going to create even more curiosity and put the play button on top of that without blurring it out. If I had to guess what's going on here, I can see a hand right here, I think, and a hand right here with something in it. So I guess he's pouring something on his hand or something. But yeah, I would say use a clear picture that creates more curiosity and put the play button on that instead of blurring it out. Other than that, pretty good ad, pretty good landing page. What else do we have? Another stock picture right here, so do not use these stock pictures. Let's see. Okay, so this is another good one. Alright, so we have another play button, might be the same affiliate. And this one is putting a egg yolk inside of coffee. That is strange, alright? So that is the feeling that we want to create to the user as well. Like, why would you do that? So it's either something that is new for them. So it's like, what is that? How do you use it? Where does it come from? Those kind of questions. Or it's the fact that we can identify it, but it's such a weird combination. Like, why would you do this? All right. Why would you put an egg yolk inside of your coffee? All right. Why would you put Coke in that brown powder? So that brown powder with the Coke, this one I'm talking about, that has a little bit of both because we don't know exactly what the powder is, but it's not, powder is never going to be something that is interesting or makes people curious because they don't know it. It's powder, all right? Even though they don't know what exact powder it is, it's powder. Where something completely else might be more like, what is that? Whoa. A powder doesn't really get that effect. But the fact that he's pouring Coke in it is the weird part. And that's the same with this yolk, of course. So let's take a look at the headline. 7-second daily ritual melts stubborn fat while you sleep. Decent. Alright. So we have a couple of pain points that he's addressing. 7-second daily ritual. So 7-second, of course, it doesn't take a lot of time. So you take away that pain point of time consuming. Melt stubborn fat while you sleep. And while you sleep is, of course, another very important pain point, because, well, usually to lose weight, you've got to put a lot of effort in, go to the gym, do a lot of stuff, be very active. But this ritual will help you burn fat while you sleep. So saying you don't have to do anything for it. All right, so that's pretty good what's going on there in that headline. We've got another one here. Simple trick melts body fat so crazily, doctors are stunned. I'm not a big fan of this one. Doctors are stunned, of course, is a very, it's used a lot in headlines, in the advertisements. Not a big fan, but it's okay. Simple trick, it's okay. But I'm not a big fan of this one. It doesn't say a lot. It doesn't create more curiosity. So not a huge fan. And let's see. Oh, look at that. So if you're gonna do eggs, then this is a more interesting approach than the normal eggs, all right? These are purple eggs, and purple eggs, you don't see them that often, or at least I've never seen them in my life, to be honest. In real, I've seen quite some pictures of them. But this obviously creates more curiosity than a regular egg, which is pretty good. Do this immediately if you have diabetes. Watch. Okay, the headline is weak though. Let's do one more. Let's see what we have. Maybe a vertical that we didn't... oh, look at that. Exactly what I meant. Do you remember this picture? We talked about it quite a lot in this video, alright? So we have that brown powder and the Coke coming in. Watch what happens when you play with the contrast. Damn. That is so bright red. And that pops out a lot more, alright? If you look at them together, next to each other, which one catches more attention? This one, right? By far, by far. So play with the contrast, make it brighter, make it, even the Coke label is brighter a little bit, alright? So play with your contrast to create more bright colors. Let's see what else we have. Let's see. I see a lot of weight loss, and that probably has to do with it being January, so a lot of people will be losing weight in these months, or at least trying so. So I kind of want to do something else than weight loss for a change, if we can find something. Oh, it's still weight loss, but this is a pretty good one. Look at that picture. What's going on? Okay, we do have a lemon. It's sliced open. But what is inside here? This is quite a good picture. Although the contrast could have gone better, right? We've got a lot of blending colors here where we really want something to pop out. In this case, this lemon. So a darker background would have been better, and that lemon would have popped out a little bit more. Let's take a look at the headline. Doctor stunt. This melts body fat like crazy. Do this tonight. So it's all kind of in the same area with these headlines. So not bad, but standard. So could have used a lot of improvement. Let's leave it there for now. That's going to be it for this one. But no worries. I will catch you next time with a new video. And of course, don't forget to check out that very special deal for the Deberoo suite. You can get your first month for only 97 euros, and we'll throw in a free advanced course as well. So that's very awesome, and you can get it for native ads, you can get them for push ads, or you can get it for Facebook ads if that's what you prefer. So the options are huge and endless, and you make the decision. That's gonna be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Peace out.